We will be taking a look at general gas law. This one is the combination of the Boyle's law, Charles law, pressure law, and it comes as a result of the fact that the three laws can be harmonized to give us PV over T to be equal to constant. As such, P1 V1 over T1 equal to P2 V2 over T2. So we can apply this law to some questions. One of the questions we have here is this, that a given mass of an ideal gas occupies a volume V at a temperature T and under a pressure P. If the pressure is increased to 2P and the temperature reduced to half of the initial, then what is the percentage change in the volume of the gas? So we see that the temperature is reduced. This should tell us that what? We are having a compression. Yes, because it is cooling. Once gas cools, it what compresses. So that is the percentage change now will be our percentage change in volume will be equal to V1 minus V2 all over V1 times 100%. So we are doing this now because it is a compression. That is why we are bringing V1 before V2. So we have to find our V2 because V1 is given already. V1 is equal to V. But we don't have V2, so we're going to apply the general gas law that says that P1 over P1 V1 over T1 equal to P2 V2 over T2. So our P1 from the question is P, and our V1 is V, T1 is T. But our P2 from the question is 2P, and our V2 is unknown. All over T2 is half of T. So clearly, this P knocks out P. This P cancel P. The T here also cancel T. So we'll be left with V 2V2 all over a half equal to, that is this side, equal to V. So this becomes 4V2 equal to V, which means that V2 is simply V over 4. So our change in volume now, change in volume will be equal to V1 minus V2. So our V1 is V minus V2, V by 4, which gives us 3V over 4. So therefore, percentage change now, percentage change in volume will be equal to change in volume over what? Initial volume, that is 3V over 4 divided by what? V. So this V cancel this V, 3V, 3 over 4, remember multiplied by 100%. So if we just, okay, let's solve the remaining side here. That is percentage change will be equal to 3V over 4 divided by V. Let's use this division sign. Multiply by 100%. This V cancel this V. We have 3 over 4 times 100%, which will give us 75%. So this is our option here, is option C, 75%. Thank you.